Hi, this is Jyotsna Venkatesh from Team 8 presenting our visualization dashboard. This dashboard presents a methodological framework for analysis of the weapons data. D3 is one of the most widely used visualization libraries. I will be presenting the role of D3 in this project. Query 1. This query represents the temporal and spatial properties of the data. So when the name of the location is given as input, the timestamp data is plotted for the location on the x-axis, and the number of weapons detected during the timestamp is plotted on the y-axis. So query 2. This visualization is called a chord diagram. Chord diagrams show directed relationships among entities. Say pistol. You can see that this chord diagram shows the relationship between the geostate and the category of weapon. Number of weapons found in the location are plotted on a 4x4 matrix. So, for example, if you want to view the rifle, yeah, you can see that the number of weapons for every geostate is plotted on a 4x4 matrix, and the relationship is shown on the chord diagram. Query 3. This visualization is a Cuvier chart. It is also called a radar chart. Here you can select the variable that you want to compare and the second variable that you want to compare and contrast. So this is one of my favorite visualizations because it lets you compare two different variables. So this chart plots the rate of increase of adds for the variables chosen. You can also change the variables and compare them, and observe that the plots change according to the rate of increase of adds for the given location. Query 4. This is just a simple line chart along with the timestamp. So the x-axis shows the timestamp and the y-axis shows the price of weapons involved in comparison. Query 5. Query 5 is a small dashboard showing how handguns, rifles, and shotguns are spread out across the 4 states. So you can see that the sales of explosives are plotted for the 4 states. The states in comparison are Arkansas, Arizona, California, and Cincinnati. Query 6 is a donut chart. When the type of weapon is given as input, it shows the percentage of weapons found in each of the locations. So let's say it's a handgun. You can see the percentage of handguns found in each of these states. Say you want to visualize a pistol. This is the percentage of pistols found in each of the locations. So Shikha will take over.
Now I'm going to explain the banana dashboard which we have created for our assignment. So this is our banana dashboard. It takes a little time to load up. So I'll just go through the different panels one by one. This is the query panel in which you can type whatever query you want to type. This is hits panel in which it shows how many documents are returned as a result of the query. This is a filter panel in which it shows what all filters we have applied on the query. This is a bar chart showing different states and how many documents it contains, documents in terms of ads and images. This is a pie chart in which it shows all the different states and how many documents it has. This is a tag cloud panel in which it shows terms associated with the query, and it kind of shows a lot of words associated, and the bigger one has bigger, more association. This is a table terms panel with table visualization in which we are showing publisher details. So which all publishers are there and what is the count of the documents for this particular query. This is a heat map in which I am displaying different states and different terms, and for this particular term, which state has the maximum occurrence of words of the documents. And the last one is a table panel in which all the documents which are associated with the query are shown in a faceted fashion. So if you click over here, the fields will be accordingly changed. So using this banana dashboard, we can answer a lot of queries. I'll take you through all of them one by one. So first question, the time-based trends in gun ads can be shown using this. So as you have seen, I have applied a timestamp of 2015, and I'll try to search. I'll add a filter for geostate as well. So I'll maybe apply Arizona. And when I apply that, it shows all those documents which all those ads and images which happen in that particular time frame and that particular geostate location. So we get all this, we get all the document count, and when we alter this geostate, the values should change. So if suppose I've done California, same for the same year, you can see the document count changes. So using this kind of visualization, we can change the time and we can change the state, and then we can see the time-based trend. Second challenge question, which is similar firearm images in the same region and time. What we can do for this is we can fix a time and the geostate, and we can get all these documents. Like we have 49 documents over here for California in 2015, and we have this. So we'll see whichever have images, we can download those images and we can run our deduplication algorithm which we had in our assignment 1. So we can use that and solve the challenge question 2. Also, it will help us in solving the challenge question 5, which is unlawful transfer of and sale of illegal weapons. That can be done using a keyword based search. So maybe I can just search for grenade. So it gives me 135 documents. So, and I can also search for nuclear, and it gives me 7 documents. So similarly, more such associated words can be looked for, and we can search and solve the 5th challenge question as well. Now I'm going to hand over to Fengtian for Couché map.
Okay, so for the Couché map provides us the geolocation data in a visualization way. And when the mouse is over one circle, we can see the number of guns in the mouse over area. So this one is like 20,000, and this one is like 70,000. And I can use this geolocation data to answer the question 1, which is can you identify, based on the geospatial area, places where the people try to purchase guns on behalf of someone unauthorized to purchase them? So if I double click the circle, which is in Asia, and I double click, and it will zoom up, and then I double click this one, it will zoom up too, and I will say there is a circle in China. But the people in China are totally banned from the owning guns. So, which means that the someone in China just purchase and sell guns illegally, which answers the question 1. Okay, I will take over to Karteek.
Hi everyone. Now we shall present facet view. To go to facet view page, now click on this button. This lands us on the facet view page. Here we have two facets, location and the publisher. This is a search bar. We'll be using this to query items. With this facet view, I'll try to answer the query 5, where we try to find whether there was a sale of illegal weapons, unlawful weapons. So what would be the keyword for such weapons? One of them is mass destruction. So we look for mass destruction and we get some results which are specific to regions like Indiana, Oklahoma, Alabama. We can still see there are some ads related to mass destruction. Another keyword would be nuclear, which boils down to quite a lot of ads in various states. And that is it. We are done with facet view. So we'll go back to the home page. Thank you everyone. This is the end of the presentation. We are team 8.
Thank you.
Thank you!
Thank you.